Want to know the Wi-Fi password easily? So here is a easy hack by which you can easily find the Wi-Fi password, whether you are connected to any network. What happens actually when you want to connect your any certain device to a network, or if someone has put the password in your device, and if you want to find that password, that how you need to get it. There is an easy way. I'll tell you, just follow the steps and then you'll be able to get it easily. So simply you need to click here on your Wi-Fi and click on network and sharing option. This is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is that you can right click here, just simply left click here, and then you can swipe down with your mouse, and you can see here that there is an option, mail is whatever Wi-Fi password you have, and then you can click here and then you can click here. So both ways you will get the same place. So right now I'm just making it easier clicking this. Why I'm telling you, because sometimes there are different options in different windows. So this is for Windows 11. So simply right click on this and then you need to click on properties here. After you click on properties here, you have to scroll up, and after scrolling up you can see here that there is a show option here. So simply click on this and then you can see your password is displayed there, and even you can scan the QR code and you can connect to the any network. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. Please give a like, subscribe my channel, don't forget to share with others.